What up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an ESX server in literally under 5 minutes using RocketNode's hosting. You'll have a fully and ready to use ESX server practically instantly once we build a framework installer. So the first thing you want to do is go to rocketnode.net and then go to game hosting and purchase a FiveM host so we could do this. So the plans vary. The bigger the server or the bigger you're planning to be is, the more gigabytes of RAM you want to go for. So for me, if I was running a, decently sized community, I'd go with something, on the bottom end of the, well, I guess you could say top, whatever, the higher RAM. But if you're doing something just alone or screwing around, you could do something simpler. So on any of them for this tutorial, since it's just a tutorial, I'm going to use premium. I'll click select plan. Panel name, you can put whatever. I'm just going to put cyber green. FiveM Patreon requirement, just say I understand. These are 2 additional services RocketNode offers. The script installation is you get any 5 handpicked scripts that you own, and we could install them for you. Just link us the scripts, and someone on the team will definitely do that for you. Or enterprise support is for an additional month, you'll get a dedicated advisor to help you with, installations. I highly recommend this if you are new to FiveM, as this helps a lot. And then you're just going to click continue. All right, once you're here, it's going to ask you to create a new account if you don't already have one. So you just put in all the info, payment method, I'm not a robot, and check out. So I already purchased the service, but, if you didn't, that's what you would do. And then, so for us, we're just going to go back to rocketnode.net. We're going to click login and game panel. Once we're here, you get this beautiful panel login screen. Then we're going to click login. Oh, select stairs, I guess. Okay, now we're going to see our server that we just purchased. Once we're here, this is where the fun stuff happens. If you want to get a better visual on how to entirely use the panel, in my previous video on how to make a basic FiveM server with this panel, I go over each individual section that's offered here. But for this, we're trying to get an ESX server up and ready as soon as possible. So now what we want to do, we're just going to literally go to server modification, framework installer, and we're going to click ESX, and we're going to click install. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I have a previous data. I gotta just remove this database. You won't have to do it, but since I already done this, to make sure everything is buttery smooth, I just have to do that. So go to framework installer, ESX install, and here we go. Should be practically instant. Might take a few seconds. But yeah, you're getting a full ESX server installed. Boom. Installed successfully right here. So if we go to file manager resources, boom, entire ESX server right here, one click of a button. Not many people offer that, and that's another reason why I love RocketNode services. It's all ready to use, database link set up. So now literally all we need to do is, I already put mine here, but you're going to want to go to keymaster.fivem.net and just register a license key. If it's gonna ask me to sign in, I'm not gonna demonstrate that, but you literally just log in, put the IP, just this part, into Keymaster. You're gonna click register, copy this IP, display name whatever. You put that, server type VPS, provider RocketNode. You're not a robot, and yeah, you click generate. It will give you a key, and then you just go to server configuration, slap it there, and we'll be ready to go. But since we're trying to do this under 5 minutes, we're going to click Start Server. Alrighty, here we go. And there we go. I mean, just like that. I mean, RocketNode uses all NVMe, so it's like ridiculously fast, but we just literally load an entire ESX server in probably a snap of my fingers. So to verify this, we're going to just go into the server, and yeah, we'll make sure that it's a full ESX server. Alright, so we're going to copy this IP and port as FiveM's loading. And you know, you could set it up if you put the server name where it will be on the list, but just for this tutorial, I'm just gonna F8 connect space the IP import. And here we go. Look at it loading. Oh, this is great. It's loading all the ESX resources. And you know, Rocket Node has one of these for QB Core and vMenu, so it's, you know, it's really easy to use. And it allows you to, you know, not have to do a lot of the standard default work. Let everything load, and here we are. I'll just put, I don't know, anything. I don't know, some random date of birth. But here we are. This is a full ESX server, and we've literally did it in, you know, a good under 5 minutes, I'd say. But yeah, I mean, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was how to make an ESX server in literally under 5 minutes. Have a great day. Thank you.